factory was moving, workers were building, but every real decision still stopped with one man. This is the story of Henry Ford. Not the man who built an empire, but the leader who had to evolve to build it. See, Henry Ford had solved the problem of doing the work himself. But now, every decision belonged to him. 7 years passed after the quadricycle rolled out of that shed. By 1903, the Ford Motor Company was officially founded. The shed had become factories. The lone inventor had become a leader of workers. Cars were now being assembled by teams of men on the factory floor. Ford was no longer tightening bolts himself, but something else had taken its place: authority. See, workers built the cars, but all decisions climbed one ladder: Ford's ladder. Supervisors would make calls. Ford would walk the floor and reverse them. Managers would adjust procedures. Ford would override them publicly. Stories circulated about Ford stepping into production discussions without warning, correcting decisions in front of entire teams. The room would go quiet, because when the founder speaks, authority settles the matter. But something else settled too: initiative. Because when every decision belongs to one person, everyone else learns to wait. Workers wait, supervisors wait, production waits. Not because the work is hard, but because authority has become the bottleneck. Delegating work is easy. Delegating decisions is much harder. And Henry Ford never truly released that control. Every stage solves a problem and reveals the next one. Ford had solved the problem of effort, but he had become the decision bottleneck. Look at your organization for a minute. How many decisions stop when you leave the room? How many processes halt waiting for you to make a decision on them? If every decision still belongs to you, you've built a team, but you're still the bottleneck. You see, leadership evolves. Sometimes leaders don't.